Felicia. Felicia, welcome to Limpopo Province.
Thank you so much, Queen. It is absolutely amazing. I am Miss South Africa Heritage 2025-2026 Queen. I am excited to finally be in Limpopo as we are going to be crowning the next Miss South Africa Disability.
Okay, and how does this journey make you feel? Being the newly crowned, the second Miss South Africa Heritage, and being part of the grand finale for Miss South Africa Disability. How do you feel about that?
I am so excited, Queen Matilda, because you know I was the one who was on pressure. Now I have to watch them being on pressure and actually come through. So I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to see the outfits. I'm looking forward to see how they present themselves as well. Yeah.
Okay, so this whole week we're going to be having activations. We're going to be doing the charity drives. Are you also ready?
Nice, I'm excited. I'm excited, completely excited.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, we are heading to the Road to Miss South Africa Disability 2025 on Saturday the 1st at Toyando Town Hall here in Limpopo Province. Thank you so much.